Guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. I have been searching for a van. And let me tell you, it is the probably worst experience ever. I have come across a few different ones that are just super nice on the outside, new tires, and you can tell like nice things were done. And then you start really investigating and you start taking some snapshots and videos of like underneath and under the hood. Interesting. And then some of the people kind of don't really think you might know what you know. And they just try to pull the wool over your eyes. Let me tell you, it has been an experience. So I'm going to share a few snapshots with you. And yeah, if you see anything that's weird, especially under the hood, and you know about that stuff, I would so appreciate it if you would just give a little comment about that and tell me about your experiences, because let me tell you, it has been something special. I'm going to keep you updated. Right.
Look at everything.
Yeah, it beats crawling under there for right now. When you get old, you got to think of ways to do things a little differently. I can't be climbing underneath there as easy as I used to.
See one of our cars?
No, but I did a lot of miscellaneous metal work and various types of like work where we had to draw. I drove vans and large vehicles. All right, guys, there you have it. That was a few days of searching and trying to figure out what van to buy. So As of right now, we have a good possibility that up and coming test driven. I've investigated. There's some things wrong with it, and they're supposed to be fixing some things. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for hanging out here with us. We do so greatly appreciate it. And any comments that you want to add to, any feedback, greatly appreciate that as well. And you guys are the ones that keep me moving and spark adventure in all that I do. And I hope that you are having a great adventure in all that you are doing. So Sparks, keep on keeping on and let's keep sparking that adventure together.